Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Sen. I am from Mary College, class BBA, Morning B, Semester 2. Today my presentation topic is activity based costing. Activity based costing. Activity based costing is a costing method that identifies activities in an organization and assign the cost of each activity to all products and services according to the actual consumption by each. This model assigns more indirect cost into direct cost compared to conventional costings. Activity based costing oftentimes refers to as activity based costing is a method of organizing and allocating costs that are involved in a business, production or operation of all kind. It means that you reduce overhead costs by calculating exactly how much one activity costs and allocating that much money on it. This business method of spending has been around since the 1980s and has been implemented by many different businesses around the world. While cutting costs is generally well received concept, there can be many downfalls that comes along, especially within the activity based method of doing so. Advantages: provides realistic cost of manufacturing for specific products, allocates manufacturing overheads more accurately to products and processes that use the activity, identifies inefficient process and target for improvements, determines product profit margin more precisely, discover which process have unnecessary and wasted costs, overhead offer better understanding and justification of cost in manufacturing overheads. Disadvantages: collection and preparation of data is time consuming, costs more to accumulate and analyze information. Sources data is not always readily available from normal accounting reports. Reports from ABC do not always conform to generally accepted accounting principles and cannot be used for external reporting. Data produced by accounting based costing may conflict with marginal performance standards previously established from traditional costing methods, may not be as useful for companies where overhead is small in proportion to total operating cost.